Hi everyone, Gabby here, and today I have a cosplay makeup tutorial for Shinobu from Demon Slayer, who is one of my favorite anime characters of all time. I love Shinobu so much. If you haven't read the manga, go read the manga, because then you'll understand why I love her so very much. But yet, to celebrate the announcement of the season 3 trailer, which definitely at the point that this video is being posted, the season 3 trailer has been out for a hot second. But to celebrate that season 3 is in fact coming in 2023, we will be getting into Shinobu today. So I'm very excited. I had a lot of fun getting back into this cosplay because it's a lot of fun and it's very comfortable, way too comfortable. But before we get into the getting ready makeup portion of the video, please leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. So if you would like to see cosplay content, vlogs, fashion content, anime content, etc., etc., maybe hit the subscribe button. Wow! Ooh. And also, if you haven't yet, go follow me over on Instagram. I will link it somewhere. I have been posting some of the photos from my Shinobu photo shoot over there, so if you would like to see the cosplay and the makeup in more detail, please go check out my Instagram because I have lots of fun cosplay photos over there for you to check out. So yeah, let's get into the makeup. Past Gabby, take it away.
Alright, so we're gonna start with just some skincare first because I honestly think skincare can really make cosplay makeup. So I'm just quickly going through my pretty basic skincare routine. If you want more information on that, I will link that video in the iCard section. But having a good base before you put any makeup on I think is super important, and you'll see because even I have acne right now and the makeup sits really nicely on top of it. First thing we're doing is priming the eyes with a little bit of concealer, and I'm just patting it all around my eye area because we will be putting shadows around the whole eye basically. And then I'm taking this light cream shade and applying that from the brow bone all over the lid, in the inner corner and around the bottom lower lash line as well, just to kind of create an even base to blend everything into. Think of this as like your liquid white if you are oil painting basically. Very Bob Ross of me. Then I'm taking a pinky brown shade and blending it into the crease and the lower lash line. My goal with my makeup for Shinobu is to keep it pretty natural, but still kind of enhancing the eyes as well. Since she doesn't really look like someone that would wear a ton of makeup, that's why I try to keep it pretty low-key. Then taking a more mauve shade, like a dusty purple color, I'm putting that on the outer lower lash line, kind of haphazardly, but we're gonna blend it out later with a fluffy brush. Just blend, 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 and then taking that same mauve color, I'm putting it in the outer corner of the eye and then blending that into the crease and a little bit onto the lid, keeping the lids pretty clean at this point just to keep it very bright in that area. Then I'm taking actually a highlighter, and it has flecks of purple and blue in it, and I'm just patting that all over the lid, and I will also be putting that on the inner corner of my eye as well to add a little bit of shimmer, but not like a glitter that's really chunky. Now onto eyeliner. I'm actually using this one for the first time, and if you don't know, I prefer felt tip pen liners. I think those are the easiest to use. And I'm trying ever so carefully to record me doing my eyeliner in case anything gets out of focus like it's doing right now. Basically what I do is I make a bunch of teeny tiny strokes and connect them to make the line, and then I flick the eyeliner out from the outer corner and create a line that I use as a guide to draw the wing. I feel like that sounds complicated, but I've found that this is the easiest way for me to do eyeliner. And my eyeliner is never even because my eyes are two different shapes. Now we're going in with some white eyeliner just to line the inner waterline. And then I have my lashes, and they make such a difference. I'm telling you, cosplaying without fake lashes, I don't know how I used to do it. But so what I do is I take a bit of lash glue, and I use the kind that dries clear, and then let that get tacky, kind of wiggle the lash band around, and then I attach them to my eyes. And last, I think for eye makeup, I'm going in and just putting mascara on the bottom lashes, and I also put mascara on my natural lashes to blend it with the false ones. Now we're getting into the face makeup. I'm just starting with BB cream that I almost immediately dropped all over my cosplay. And I just kind of dab it on with a brush all over my face, and then gently kind of pat to blend it in. I prefer BB creams. I think it sits more naturally on the face. And honestly, on days like today where I have a little bit of a breakout, that is what retouching is for. I don't care that much. Retouching is so normal, so don't worry about your acne or anything that you're trying to cover up. Just keep your makeup comfortable, and that's a main reason I like BB cream. Now we're on to concealer, and I'm just applying it in places that need a little brightening or a little extra coverage. And then blending it out with the same brush. I've been trying out using a brush again for face makeup because I usually use a sponge, and honestly, I haven't noticed significant enough of a difference between the two. So let me know what you prefer to use in the comments, just because I'm curious what other people like and what they notice about their makeup application. Now I'm taking my Nemesis loose powder. I love this stuff. It makes my skin, you'll see, like the second I put it on, it takes away the shine, but it still makes your skin look natural, if that makes sense. And I apply this all over the face with a flat top brush, gently pressing it into the skin. Just be warned, this stuff gets everywhere. So right now, for example, I'm wearing a black cosplay. I'll usually put something on over the cosplay or put something on my lap to make sure I don't get powder on the cosplay, because it will get everywhere. Now I'm taking a contour palette, and I'm just gonna very lightly sculpt my cheekbones out. Basically, you suck in your cheeks and then apply the contour in the hollows of your cheeks, and then I do a little around my forehead and then a little along the jawline just to kind of sharpen it a little. And then blend that into the powder. And if you apply too much, just add a little bit more loose powder. And next, I'm taking a blush. This is just kind of like a nice light pink. And I am applying it very lightly along my cheeks, just to add a natural flush. And then I put a little bit on my nose as well, again, to add that natural flushed look. And then I'm taking the same highlighter we used on the eyes, and I'm going to apply it on my, like the tops of my cheeks and on my nose as well, just for a little brightness, some magical vibes, if you will. But you're probably wondering, Gabby, what about the contacts? Well, we have contacts. I'm using purple mesh contacts, and the reason I am putting these on last is because once you put them in, you cannot really see, and they make my eyes water a lot. So last finishing touches. I got the wig on and I'm shoving the butterfly in my head. Yes, there is one tiny piece of my real hair poking through the wig, and I didn't notice it until post, but we will deal with it. And now I'm taking a cream eyeshadow stick and just applying that along the inner corners to re-brighten those up. And then I'm taking my favorite lip tint and I am applying it all over the lips in a light coat, just following the natural shape of my lips. At this point, I fully realized I hadn't done my brows yet, and so I'm just filling in my brows with a black eyeshadow. And then I also have a little eyeshadow brush that I use to kind of blur out the color a bit. Then I'm taking a little bit more of the lip tint on the center of my lips, and the makeup is complete.
All right, what do we think? I'm not gonna lie, I can barely see y'all right now. Like, I don't know if you've never worn mesh contacts. I don't know how to explain it to you other than you're seeing out of teeny tiny little holes. And then I just have like a purple hue to everything that I'm looking at right now, which is kind of fun, but also like kind of terrifying. Like, I could look busted right now and I wouldn't know. Maybe that's a new thing. If you want to like make the world look nicer, just wear mesh contacts in your favorite color. But yeah, I'm super happy with how the makeup turned out. I love, 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 love. Surprisingly, I don't normally cosplay characters with like short hair, but Shinobu I feel very comfortable as. I don't have an explanation as to why. And yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know who your favorite Demon Slayer character is, what anime you are looking forward to in 2023, etc, etc. What are we looking forward to in 2023? There will be one more video up before the end of the year, but I'm literally planning to upload that video like right at midnight. Potentially. So this might be the last proper video of me in 2022. So let me know what you're looking forward to in 2023. I'm very excited for a new year. Also, because people will ask, I will list all the products that I used in the description of this video. Also, follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to see cosplay content, random tweets of things that cross my mind. There's just a lot of randomness across my social media that you are missing out on, I'm just saying. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!